Hi, I'm Soumya. I'm a software developer based in United States. And if I have to say when I started wearing these spectacles or contact lenses, I started wearing recently, but if I started wearing spectacles, I think I must be in class 2 or something, this really tiny kid. And trust me, if I remove my spectacles or something like that, the world used to disappear around me, and trust me, not in a good way. So I had this huge part in my eyes where if I remove my spectacles, everything will become all hazy. I cannot even see the person who's standing, just this, like I won't able to see if he has brown eyes or blue eyes. Not in a good idea, trust me. So I wanted to get my LASIK done, and few of my friends also got their LASIK done, but I never always received positive feedbacks. Like one of my friends told me that her world literally inverted. She started seeing things in a different alignment. So these things kind of scared me, but I always wanted to get this thing done. So before I flew to India, I got all my research done. I went to the pages and talked to people from different hospitals who had their surgeries done, took a proper personal conversation, and the best review I got was from i7. Everyone told me that the staff is super friendly, the procedure is smooth, everything will be so nicely done, so you don't have to worry about much. And trust me, like a lot of people said that to me. So the first day I flew back, the second day I came here, and actually it was better than my expectation because it was done in a ziffy. Like I had my different problems in my eyes, the staff was super friendly, the appointment saves you a lot of time, so I would definitely recommend you to book an appointment when you come here. It saves you a lot of time, you don't have to wait. The staff is super 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 duper friendly. You just have to bug them, okay, where's my file, and they'll be like 5 minutes and you'll be done. So after that, I was obviously nervous before my surgery, so I keep on pinging the coordinators and different people, keep on emailing the staff like, okay, today something happened and I am suffering from fever, so I cannot come to my surgery, can you please shift my date? And they were always 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 so kind and helpful. And everything was so nice, like the entire procedure before the surgery, they was so smooth. And it was such a nice experience, I would like to say, because when you think of it, oh my god, you have to do something with your LASIK eye surgery, you think, okay, what will happen, will they insert something in my eye, will it pain, this is such a delicate thing, will I just lose whatever I have right now? So trust me, if you go to i7, nothing is gonna happen. You won't even realize that you're undergoing this surgery, and everything will be done in a swift. Thank you so much, Dr. Sanjay Chaudhary, for that. I mean, I just felt, I thought that my surgery is gonna start now when he told me, okay, you're done. And when I came out of my surgery room, I actually saw, like actually felt all my spectacles are cracking inside my head, and the eyeliner, which I am not wearing right now because it's just like a week after my surgery. No, you're not allowed to wear your liner for 2 weeks at least, so right now I'm not wearing. But all my products are delivered at my home. I'm pretty sure they are not gonna hide behind my glasses, like, okay, see my liner. They are not gonna have, that's not gonna happen. So whenever you're gonna wear some ethnic Indian lehenga or even a really really nice bikini, you won't be hiding behind your shades. So this is one of the best thing that happened to me, because I was this small kid since I was wearing my shades. Go to some really nice mall, you see those Ray-Ban glasses, you see, oh my god, that's such a sexy shade Kareena Kapoor is wearing. And you go to, okay, Lenskart.com, get me a personalized power sunglasses. What do you get? Those round shapes, boring ones. No, not that's not gonna happen with me anymore. I'm just gonna go to the mall, and I have bought three sunglasses already. Please don't judge me, I'm a very shopaholic person. And those are those really classy sunglasses. I don't have to get their glasses changed with the power one. That is the best feeling you can get. And the entire procedure was so smooth. I remember calling Shivangi, the coordinator, one day before my surgery. Okay, I'm freaking out about some really stupid thing. So they know how to calm you down. They are gonna make sure you're all right and not freaking out. I called her just at the night of my surgery about some really really stupid doubt that I realize now that was not stupid back then. And I'm pretty sure they must be thinking, okay, this is stupid, but they never made me realize this is stupid. They were always, they just give them a call and they were there to take care of you. Even if you're far, far, far living, or even if they are somewhere. And the best part about I7 is they have their centers all over Delhi spread out. So my center, up like whenever I have to visit it, it's just like 1 kilometer away. I just have to go, come here, and it's all done. So it was one of it was I won't say it was one of the best thing that happened to me. It was the best thing which happened in my life, because when you remove those specs and when you wake up in the morning, you do not have to wear those glasses. When you actually, like, when you're in the mall or something, you don't have to see, okay, am I wearing my glasses? When you have to read those ingredients, the tiny tiny ingredients, you can read everything. It's super clear. Like, I can tell you it's super clear because it's just 2 weeks and I went to shopping. It's all nice. No, like, just a caution about the pollution. But again, if when you're indoors, nothing, you have to chill out. And you can read those tiny little ingredients, the back from the package. That's super nice. Thank you so much, Dr. Sanjay Chaudhary, for this. And Shivangi, you were really, really, really a darling for tolerating my anxiety, for taking care of all my doubts, for asking you, can I get my liner today? Or coming to the pre checkup with a liner. Thank you so much, Shivangi, for tolerating everything. It was such a nice pleasure to have my surgery done at I7. Super duper recommended. Trust me, nothing better. All my friends have their, like, not all, a lot of my friends have their surgeries done at different places in New Delhi, and they were like, today I woke up and everything was inverted. I don't know what did I do. Or today I woke up at the night and, like, a friend of mine came to my room knocking at 2 a.m. I cannot see anything. So nothing is gonna happen with this place. Trust me, this is one of the places you can trust. Thank you so much, I7.